You have made it through the appraisal and the underwriting process, but the most important step before you sign your life away is the final walkthrough. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we ensure you cross the finish line with total confidence and zero surprises. The final walkthrough is your last chance to verify that the home is in the same condition as when you made your offer and that all agreed-upon repairs have been completed. Start by testing every light switch and plumbing fixture to ensure there are no new leaks or electrical issues that occurred after the inspection. Check that the seller has removed all their trash and personal belongings, as you do not want to inherit a garage full of junk on moving day. Verify that the appliances included in the contract are still in the home and in working order before you head to the closing table. If you find a major issue, do not be afraid to delay the closing until it is resolved or a credit is issued by the seller. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to download our full walkthrough PDF and subscribe for more tips to protect your investment.